Be showing you how to make a withdrawal from Weltrade account. Okay, now what you should do is you get into your account, you log into your account, and when you log into your account, you come to the dashboard. Then from the dashboard, you come to this place where you have finance. Okay, so you click on finance. Now when you click on finance, you will see finance, you see deposit, you see withdrawal, you see transfer, you see save, and you see operations history. Click on withdrawal. Okay, now when you click on withdrawal, then you will see where you have the different currencies that you may wish to withdraw depending on what you funded with. Okay, is it wallet, is it cryptocurrency, is it Neteller or perfect money? Anyone that is applicable to you is what you should withdraw. Okay, so what you do is, in this case, it is cryptocurrency that I have here, so I will click on it. Now there's something you need to know. You will choose where with the drop down here. Okay, withdrawal from, you click the drop down, you choose where you are withdrawing your money from. Is it from your safe account or is it from the synthetic account? This is synthetic account, you put it there, whichever place you want to withdraw from. Now there's something you also need to know. You can add wallet while withdrawing. You can see this, my wallet has already been added, but for yours, if it's the first time you are making a withdrawal, all you need to do is to click on add wallet. Now when you click on add wallet, it will give you the opportunity to paste the wallet that you want to withdraw into. Now USDT TRC20 wallet address is what you should copy. You can copy from your Bybit, or you copy from your Binance, or anywhere that you have your USDT TRC20 wallet address, you copy it and then you come and paste it here, and automatically it will be activated as your withdrawal account. Okay, now next time I'm withdrawing, I don't need to add again. As you can see, it already appears here. Then you click the amount you want to withdraw from, $15 and above. Okay, I can put $15 here. Okay, now you see I'm withdrawing $15. Look at what I will be getting. Okay, it's okay, it's very okay. At least the exchange rate is given as this. Okay, so this is what I will get at the end of the day. Now if I'm withdrawing maybe $18, this is what I will get. So it's a minimal charge. Okay, so by the time you put the amount you want to withdraw, then you scroll down here and then click continue. All right, once you click continue, then you proceed to withdraw, and within 1 hour or about less than 30 minutes, your money will be sitting in your wallet, either in your Bybit or your Binance. Okay, so guys, this is how to make a withdrawal from your Weltrade account. All right, keep trading and keep enjoying yourself. If you are seeing this video for the first time and you don't know anything about Weltrade, just go to the description of this video. I'm going to leave the details about how you are going to register for your Weltrade and then join us in making money on the go. I will see you in my next video. Cheers and God bless you.